it going? Today we're going to go ahead and draw an axe. Okay, it's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, and very Halloween-like. Okay, let's get started. You can use anything you want. I'm going to be using a marker, but you can use a pencil. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to throw a curved line right here. Pull back. Pull underneath. I'm going to pull another line here. The reason I'm doing that is I want to give it a 3D effect, right? Like I'm looking up into the thickness of the axe here, and you can't really see the top of it. That's kind of very important when you look at anything. You're usually just seeing one side of it as you're looking up it or looking down it. Okay, just to kind of make that clear. That marker's kind of dying out. Let me use this marker. Alrighty. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw the back of the handle right there. Okay. Now we're going to go beneath right here, and I'm going to draw a curve for the stick part, right? Curve right there along the thickness of that. And I'm going to go straight. I'm going to pull a straight line down here. Curve. Okay. Going to pull in just a bit. And I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to down over here. Curve underneath here. So generally we got like most of it in there. Also, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Halloween, hit the subscribe right now. I'm going to be putting up Halloween drawing tutorials the entire season of Halloween. And also when you subscribe, it clicks not just for the season, but for the next time too, the next season. You're going to start seeing videos pop on your feed for that next year when I start posting again, right? But right now we're in the thick of it. So, all right, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to curve over here. And I'm going to leave a little line right there. Curve over here. And I'm going to fill this in. The reason I want to fill it in is I want to give it a really graphic look, like a really graphic image look. And sometimes just filling in the edge, you know, kind of does that essentially. You see like one dark shape, and it just looks really good. So just absolutely do that right now. Right on, like right there, you know? Hey, it looks like a solid handle, and that's kind of what you want. If you want to clean your lines up, don't forget to go check out the official website, sketchingeasy.com. Go check that out. There's a beginner drawing lesson if you click the dragon, and what it does is it teaches you how to put down clean lines. Okay, that's incredibly important. That can change your entire drawing. So go check that out if you have time, sketchingeasy.com. Okay, and click the dragon on the main page. All right. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna kind of draw that. You know, there's kind of a difference in value right there. Where usually this is painted red and that sharpened part is not. But I am gonna go in, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna color this guy just a bit. Give him a red right there, red in that area. So I'm going to go over here, just grab any marker or crayon or colored pencil, anything you like, and I'm going to put just a flat red right there, just a flat red on the top portion. But yeah, it's really nice and smooth, stuff like that. If you want to learn how to draw anything good, like I mean, like anything, like I said, don't forget to check out sketchingeasy.com. You can learn how to draw anything you want good. It's not just Halloween stuff, it's everything. Kind of fill it in, and again, like you want to fill it in flat, otherwise it's gonna come out kind of weird looking. Just fill it in flat. I wouldn't try to shade it or anything with the red, whatever you use. And I'm gonna add a little bit of gray at the bottom. You don't have to color this, by the way. You can just leave it as is. Right on. And then one more thing I'm gonna do is I want to give it a little bit of what's it called? Like it's used, right? Like scratches. You want to throw some of that like little randomness. You know, maybe like a dot or two, like it's got a blotch over here. It's kind of hard to do that in the marker, to be honest, but you want to just make it look like it's used, right? Because this is supposed to be like a creepy axe. That's the whole thing to it. Maybe a line in here in that part, like for some imperfections, right? But just kind of keep that part in mind. Like I said, hit the like button as well. I didn't say that. Hit the like if you do like this tutorial, if you're around right now. The like helps the channel out. We do a lot of cool stuff on here, so absolutely go do that. Right on, curve up. Right here, just giving it a little bit of extra thickness around there. Overall, to make the drawing just a little bit more solid, which is kind of what we're after. And if you want to make it a little extra character, you can draw like swipe lines. So you can do maybe like it's moving. Line, line, line. Like it's moving somehow. You know, maybe even over here, like it's turning or something, like it's thrown. But it's kind of cool to add any of that stuff in there. And as far as any other details, again, you can add little spots right here to make it makes it creepier and creepier as you do that, as you add little just kind of spots all over the place. So everything is extra. Like, don't forget, comment, and I will reply to every single comment. Okay? Like, comment, I'll reply to every single comment. Just leave me a comment, and I'm very easy to access. Go check out the community page as well. I know I'm giving you a lot of stuff here, but check out the community page. There's a lot I offer on there. I post memes, and I post Halloween memes and stuff like that. But you're missing out on a lot if you don't follow the community page. So go check that out as well if you have time. And lastly, that's kind of it. I'm just trying to think about what I'm going to dress like for Halloween this year. I'm trying to find an outfit. I don't know what I'm dressing like this year, so I have to really think that through. So that's kind of been my big like, what am I going to do moment, pretty much. I'm like, what am I going to do this year? Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, and I want you to say hi to me, okay? See ya.